Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Edge guys, and if you have a code P2197 guys, stay with us, we'll show you how to fix that. It relates guys to oxygen sensor right here. This is bank 2 sensor 1 guys. Stay with us, we'll show you what needs to be done to replace that thing and get rid of that code. So let's start on it guys. We'll have guys more than 200 videos on a Ford Edge. Why guys? Because our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Please guys subscribe, that's all we need in return. So let's start on the problem now. So we're inside the Ford Edge now guys. Okay, let me show you. I'll go ahead, start it, see engine light. Okay, will stay on no matter what I do. Okay, engine light stays on. So what we're going to do now guys, I'll turn the car off. Okay, I'm going to connect the scanner, this scanner, we'll plug it to the OBD port. Okay, and this scanner guys, okay, could be found in the description of the video below. This is one very affordable scanner, not expensive at all. So now we need to turn ignition on, okay, but the car not running. Okay, you can see the lights are on. Now we'll go to diagnose here. We're going to read the codes and see what we get. It just takes a couple of seconds. Okay, we have one code in the engine computer. So we'll click OK, read codes. Okay, and check out what's going to happen now. The code that we have guys is P2197. Oxygen sensor signal biased stuck lean bank 2 sensor 1. This means that bank 2 is the front cylinder head upstream oxygen sensor. We have two upstream oxygen sensor, bank 1 sensor 1 and bank 2 sensor 1. In our case we have problem only with bank 2 sensor 1. Both of the sensors should act about the same way. So what I will do next, I will start the car guys. The car will be running. Next we'll go to data stream right here. And under data stream we can compare both of the sensors and see how to know that you have a bad one. You're going to see the bad one will be completely off. So under data stream we can go ahead and select, okay, bank 1 sensor 1, this is the good one. And then bank 2 sensor 1, this is our bad sensor. Now let's compare them. The good sensor is on the left side with the red digits, and this is the current voltage of the good sensor. With yellow is the bad sensor on bank 2, and this is the current voltage of the bad sensor. Now when I rev the car up and down, you're going to notice, okay, that the oxygen sensor guys, the good one reads current voltage between about 0.1 to 0.9 volts. It goes up and down, up and down. The bad one, it doesn't guys. It just stuck at 0.02. Okay, you can see it doesn't go up at all. It just barely reading anything, but nothing compared to this one. So it should be like this one, not like this one. So this is a bad sensor now guys. What we'll do, okay, we're going to go ahead, okay, let me see if I have the sensor. I'm going to show it to you. We'll go ahead and replace it. Let me show you where it's located quick. We're going to turn the car off. Okay, car is off, and we're going to show you now under the hood guys. Okay, this is your engine. Bank 2 is towards the front. Okay, this is bank 2. When you replace it, I would recommend to disconnect the car battery because you're next to the fan and you don't want to cut your fingers off, right? And this thing down there, okay, that wire, when you chase the wire, okay, let me see if I'm able to get a little bit of a better view. Okay, that guy down there, okay, this is your oxygen sensor, bank 2 sensor 1. So we will need to replace it with this one. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do that and see if that actually fixes the problem. Okay guys, so we have the ignition on, we already replaced our sensor. Now after the replacement guys, we're going to delete the codes. You can check the video, it's on the channel, check it out guys. So we'll go to erase codes now here, click erase codes. Okay, we confirm again, and it's in the process of erasing now. It's going to take a little bit of time to do all that. Okay, the code has been cleared. The code has been cleared. Now we'll go to data stream. Again, we're going to select view graphic items. And we're going to select bank 1, sensor 1 and bank 2, sensor 1. So this is the good one that we had before. This is, guys, the bad one that we just replaced. Let's select this one. I will go ahead, start the car. Car is running. No engine light on. Perfect. Now check out the graphics, guys. Okay, between both sensor 1 and bank 1 and bank 2. So both of them, guys, okay, they show the same numbers, guys. Check it out. Nothing like what it was before. The same values, the same numbers. So that's very close, guys. This is definitely fixing our problem. Hopefully the video will save you some money, guys, and headache. Please subscribe for all the work we do here. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.